In this video, I'm going to show you how to open InstaForex account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, which is instaforex.com. And then over here on the website, you'll be able to open an account the following way. You could either click on Open Account at the very top over here, or you could scroll down a bit here on the main page. And then down here, you'll see basically two accounts you can open. Either a demo account over here if you want to just basically go ahead and explore the platform and actually try out a demo account. Or if you'd like to go with a real live account right off the bat, you could go ahead and select your trading account, which is the live real account over here as well. So whatever you want to do, make sure you click on that button. And what this is going to do is it's going to put you on a different site here where you basically have to go through these 4 steps to complete your profile registration. So you have to go ahead and first register a profile over here. You could put in all your info, or you could also sign up with Google or Facebook down here at the bottom. Then you will have to pass the questionnaire, upload your documents, open an account, and then you will have to make a deposit. And after you do that, you'll get the access to your dashboard, and you'll be able to basically go ahead and start trading and using the InstaForex dashboard. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.